So I'm doing it a little different this time. I didn't bring them no feed. I could just run over there and grab some if worst case scenario. But got a bunch of eggs, some squash for them. This was gonna be added to the compost, and I'm like, you know what? Why don't we just give it to the chickens or to the pigs? Give them some, you know, good nutrition. This was like almost impossible to do. I had to leave the camera for a second because Carter went over to Doug and we could not get him back over here. They were like shocking themselves trying to get to each other. Every time he would touch the fence, get shocked, then Doug would touch it and get shocked. Thank God the fence was hot, because if not, it would have been an ugly scene. So while he was over there, we were able to get Elizabeth here where we wanted her. Then I set up the net real quick, and by the time I was done, they were done doing their little male battle. Thank God. But now I just got to finish, set up the fence, bring their shelter over here, and then give them some hay. Have one last bale of hay that I will give them. I'll give them half, and then the other half will be for Doug and Charlotte. So what I did was there's only a little bit left in here. It's only a little bit left, so I'm just letting it drain down so that they can start creating their little thing. Needed this empty. All the scraps that they didn't eat from the stuff that I gave them the other day from the garden, just gonna fill up this cart with it, put it in the compost. I'm not letting anything go to waste. I need my dirt. So all this gets recycled. Nothing goes to waste. This is a half a bale of hay. I'm just gonna add it to their shelter over there. The last time, when they were over there, I didn't give them any hay at all, but because I was supposed to move them a little bit sooner. They were only supposed to be there for a few days, but they're getting adjusted right here. I got the barrel going. I don't know why I love the smell of hay. Next week, I'm gonna be getting them some alfalfa. Now, they'll spread it all out the way they need to. But yeah, next week I'm gonna get them some alfalfa, some bales of alfalfa, and see how they do with that. Probably like 2 or 3 bales, just to see how they do. Instead of giving them alfalfa pellets. Here, I'll give this to them over here. They'll eat this. This is all emptied. Now I can put it back on the cart. It's Sunday. I know I said I wouldn't shoot on Sundays, but I may not record anything tomorrow because we're going to the beach. And so just typical chores as usual. No projects going on tomorrow. And so I may put this up tomorrow or today, not sure. But today is Sunday and we got some family over there in the pool. So I'm gonna go hang out, eat some burgers, and catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.